step into the 2006 Lexus ES330. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: automatic headlights, power door locks, power steering, intermittent wipers, wood grain interior trim, power windows, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and passenger adjustable lumbar. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.